Destruction of red blood cells contributes to anemia in malaria. Reason R. Repeated erythrocyte rupture reduces red blood cell numbers. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Loss of erythrocytes leads to anemia in infected individuals. 294. Which stage of Plasmodium is commonly described as ring-shaped under the microscope? Option A. Sporozoite. Option B. Early tryphozoite. Option C. Okinate. Option D. Oocyst. Correct answer is option B. Early tryphozoite. The young tryphozoite often appears as a ring inside red blood cells. 295. A patient experiences fever every 48 hours. This pattern is most directly related to Option A. Mosquito feeding behavior. Option B. Synchronized erythrocytic schizogony. Option C. Liver cell division. Option D. Gamete formation. Correct answer is option B. Synchronized erythrocytic schizogony. Periodic rupture of infected erythrocytes causes cyclical fever. 296. Which statement correctly distinguishes schizogony from sporogony? Option A. Both occur in humans. Option B. Schizogony is sexual and sporogony is asexual. Option C. Schizogony occurs in humans whereas sporogony occurs in mosquitoes. Option D. Both occur in mosquitoes. Correct answer is option C. Schizogony occurs in humans whereas sporogony occurs in mosquitoes. Schizogony occurs in humans while sporogony occurs in mosquitoes. 297. Which adaptation contributes most directly to the rapid increase of parasite numbers in the human host? Option A. Gametogenesis. Option B. Multiple fission during schizogony. Option C. Fertilization. Option D. Encystment. Correct answer is option B. Multiple fission during schizogony. Schizogony produces large numbers of merozoites from a single parasite. 298. Assertion A. Malaria control programs often focus on mosquito control. Reason R. Elimination of vectors interrupts transmission of Plasmodium. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Controlling mosquito populations reduces malaria transmission. 299. A scientist finds oocysts attached to the gut wall of a female Anopheles mosquito. Which process is most likely occurring? Option A. Hepatic schizogony. Option B. Sporogony. Option C. Binary fission. Option D. Encystment. Correct answer is option B. Sporogony. Oocysts are sites of sporozoite formation during sporogony. 300. Which feature contributes most directly to the epidemiological success of Plasmodium as a human parasite? Option A. Presence of pseudopodia. Option B. Dependence on chlorophyll. Option C. Efficient alternation between human and mosquito hosts. Option D. Formation of contractile vacuoles. Correct answer is option C. Efficient alternation between human and mosquito hosts. Its complex life cycle involving both humans and mosquitoes ensures effective transmission and survival. 301. Which protozoan is commonly known as the causative agent of balantidial dysentery? Option A. Balantidium coli. Option B. Giardia lumblia. Option C. Entamoeba coli. Option D. Trichomonas vaginalis. Correct answer is option A. Balantidium coli. Balantidium coli is the only ciliate protozoan known to infect humans. 302. Balantidium coli is unique among human protozoan parasites because it possesses option A. Pseudopodia. Option B. Cilia. Option C. Flagella only. Option D. Chloroplasts. Correct answer is option B. Cilia. Balantidium coli is a ciliate protozoan. 303. Trichomonas vaginalis is primarily associated with infections of the option A. Digestive system. Option B. Respiratory tract. Option C. Urogenital tract. Option D. Nervous system. Correct answer is option C. Urogenital tract. Trichomonas vaginalis causes trichomoniasis of the urogenital tract. 304. Assertion A Trichomonas vaginalis lacks a cyst stage. Reason R. Transmission usually occurs through direct contact rather than environmental persistence. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Direct transmission reduces the need for a resistant cyst stage. 305. Which protozoan is responsible for toxoplasmosis? Option A. Toxoplasma gondii. Option B. Balantidium coli. Option C. Giardia lumblia. Option D. Leishmania donovani. Correct answer is option A. Toxoplasma gondii. Toxoplasma gondii causes toxoplasmosis in humans and other animals. 306. The definitive host of Toxoplasma gondii is option A. Dog. Option B. Human. Option C. Cat. Option D. Rabbit. Correct answer is option C. Cat. Sexual reproduction of Toxoplasma occurs in cats. 307. Which protozoan is commonly transmitted through undercooked meat and cat feces? Option A. Plasmodium vivax. Option B. Toxoplasma gondii. Option C. Giardia lumblia. Option D. Trypanosoma gumbians. Correct answer is option B. Toxoplasma gondii. Toxoplasma infection commonly occurs through contaminated meat or cat feces. 308. Which protozoan causes coccidiosis in rabbits and poultry? Option A. Eimria. Option B. Entamoeba. Option C. Euglena. Option D. Paramecium. Correct answer is option A. Eimria. Species of Eimria are important coccidian parasites. 309. Eimria belongs to the group. Option A. Ciliates. Option B. Amoeboids. Option C. Sporozoans. Option D. Flagellates. Correct answer is option C. Sporozoans. Eimria is classified among the sporozoan protozoans. 310. Assertion A sporozoans generally lack locomotory organelles in mature stages. Reason R. They are highly specialized parasitic protozoans. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Parasitic adaptation has reduced the need for locomotory organelles. 311. Which protozoan is known to cause blackhead disease in turkeys? Option A. Histomonas melligridis. Option B. Giardia lumblia. Option C. Balantidium coli. Option D. Noctiluca scintillans. Correct answer is option A. Histomonas melligridis. Histomonas melligridis causes blackhead disease in turkeys. 312. Noctiluca is commonly referred to as. Option A. Sea sparkle. Option B. Sea cucumber. Option C. Water flea. Option D. Sea fan. Correct answer is option A. Sea sparkle. Noctiluca produces marine bioluminescence known as sea sparkle. 313. The bioluminescence exhibited by Noctiluca is due to. Option A. Photosynthesis. Option B. Light-producing chemical reactions. Option C. Reflection of moonlight. Option D. Chlorophyll fluorescence. Correct answer is option B. Light-producing chemical reactions. Special biochemical reactions produce visible light. 314. Which protozoan is often used in laboratory studies of regeneration and cell physiology? Option A. Stentor. Option B. Plasmodium. Option C. Giardia. Option D. Leishmania. Correct answer is option A. Stentor. Stentor is famous for its regenerative abilities. 315. Stentor belongs to the group of. Option A. Flagellates. Option B. Amoeboids. Option C. Ciliates. Option D. Sporozoans. Correct answer is option C. Ciliates. Stentor is a large ciliate protozoan. 316. Which protozoan possesses a trumpet-shaped body? Option A. Amoeba. Option B. Stentor. Option C. Giardia. Option D. Euglena. Correct answer is option B. Stentor. Stentor is characteristically trumpet-shaped. 317. Assertion: a Noctiluca is often abundant during algal blooms. Reason are: it is an important component of marine plankton. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Noctiluca forms a significant component of marine plankton communities. 318. Which protozoan lacks a permanent mouth and ingests food through pseudopodia? Option A. Paramecium. Option B. Balantidium. Option C. Amoeba. Option D. Stentor. Correct answer is option C. Amoeba. Amoeba engulfs food through phagocytosis using pseudopodia. 319. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Option A. Noctiluca malaria. Option B. Toxoplasma toxoplasmosis. Option C. Eimerier sleeping sickness. Option D. Balantidium kala azar. Correct answer is option B. Toxoplasma toxoplasmosis. Toxoplasma gondii causes toxoplasmosis. 320. Which protozoan commonly possesses two morphologically different nuclei? Option A. Giardia. Option B. Amoeba. Option C. Paramecium. Option D. Euglena. Correct answer is option C. Paramecium. Paramecium exhibits nuclear dimorphism with macro and micronuclei. 321. Which characteristic is shared by Plasmodium, Eimerier and Toxoplasma? Option A. Presence of cilia. Option B. Belonging to sporozoan protozoans. Option C. Presence of pseudopodia. Option D. Free living habit. Correct answer is option B. Belonging to sporozoan protozoans. All three are important sporozoan parasites. 322. Assertion: a Balantidium coli is considered an exceptional human parasite among protozoans. Reason: it is the only ciliate protozoan known to infect humans. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Balantidium coli is unique among human protozoan parasites because of its cilia. 323. Which protozoan is most likely to show bioluminescence? Option A. Noctiluca. Option B. Giardia. Option C. Entamoeba. Option D. Leishmania. Correct answer is option A. Noctiluca. Noctiluca is famous for producing bioluminescent light. 324. Which of the following protozoans is primarily free-living rather than parasitic? Option A. Stentor. Option B. Plasmodium. Option C. Leishmania. Option D. Giardia. Correct answer is option A. Stentor. Stentor is a free-living freshwater protozoan. 325. A zoologist discovers a large trumpet-shaped ciliate capable of remarkable regeneration and commonly found in freshwater habitats. The organism is most likely. Option A. Balantidium coli. Option B. Stentor. Option C. Euglena. Option D. Toxoplasma. Correct answer is option B. Stentor. Stentor is a large trumpet-shaped ciliate noted for its regenerative capacity. 326. The most common mode of reproduction among protozoans is: Option A. Sexual reproduction. Option B. Binary fission. Option C. Budding. Option D. Fragmentation. Correct answer is option B. Binary fission. Binary fission is the most widespread method of asexual reproduction in protozoans. 327. In binary fission, a single parent cell produces: Option A. 4 daughter cells. Option B. 8 daughter cells. Option C. 2 daughter cells. Option D. Numerous spores. Correct answer is option C. 2 daughter cells. Binary fission results in the formation of 2 daughter individuals. 328. Which type of binary fission occurs in amoeba? Option A. Longitudinal binary fission. Option B. Transverse binary fission. Option C. Simple binary fission in any plane. Option D. Multiple fission. Correct answer is option C. Simple binary fission in any plane. Amoeba may divide in any plane because of its irregular shape. 329. Longitudinal binary fission is characteristic of: Option A. Euglena. Option B. Paramecium. Option C. Amoeba. Option D. Noctiluca. Correct answer is option A. Euglena. Euglena divides longitudinally along its long axis. 330. Transverse binary fission is commonly observed in: Option A. Amoeba. Option B. Paramecium. Option C. Giardia. Option D. Trypanosoma. Correct answer is option B. Paramecium. Paramecium divides transversely across its body. 331. Assertion: a binary fission is an asexual process. Reason R, it involves only one parent and no fusion of gametes. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Binary fission occurs without gamete formation or fertilization. 332. Multiple fission differs from binary fission because it produces. Option A. One daughter cell. Option B. Two daughter cells. Option C. Many daughter cells simultaneously. Option D. Only gametes. Correct answer is option C. Many daughter cells simultaneously. Multiple fission results in the formation of numerous offspring at once. 333. Multiple fission commonly occurs in. Option A. Plasmodium. Option B. Euglena. Option C. Stentor. Option D. Balantidium. Correct answer is option A. Plasmodium. Plasmodium undergoes multiple fission during schizogony. 334. Schizogony is best described as. Option A. Sexual reproduction. Option B. Multiple fission producing many daughter cells. Option C. Budding. Option D. Conjugation. Correct answer is option B. Multiple fission producing many daughter cells. Schizogony is a specialized form of multiple fission. 335. The nucleus divides repeatedly before cytoplasmic division during. Option A. Conjugation. Option B. Binary fission. Option C. Multiple fission. Option D. Syngamy. Correct answer is option C. Multiple fission. Repeated nuclear divisions characterize multiple fission. 336. Assertion A. Encystment often precedes multiple fission in some protozoans. Reason R. The cyst provides protection during reproduction. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. The protective cyst safeguards the organism during unfavorable conditions. 337. Conjugation in paramecium primarily results in. Option A. Increase in population size. Option B. Exchange of genetic material. Option C. Formation of cysts. Option D. Production of spores. Correct answer is option B. Exchange of genetic material. Conjugation promotes genetic recombination rather than multiplication. 338. Which reproductive process does not immediately increase the number of individuals? Option A. Binary fission. Option B. Multiple fission. Option C. Conjugation. Option D. Budding. Correct answer is option C. Conjugation. Conjugation is primarily a genetic exchange process. 339. During conjugation in paramecium, the micronucleus is important because it. Option A. Controls metabolism. Option B. Participates in genetic exchange. Option C. Forms food vacuoles. Option D. Produces cilia. Correct answer is option B. Participates in genetic exchange. The micronucleus is responsible for hereditary continuity. 340. Which nucleus degenerates during conjugation in paramecium? Option A. Micronucleus. Option B. Macronucleus. Option C. Both nuclei. Option D. neither nucleus. Correct answer is option B, macronucleus. The old macronucleus degenerates and is later replaced. 341. Syngamy refers to option A, fusion of gametes. Option B, formation of cysts. Option C, binary fission. Option D, budding. Correct answer is option A, fusion of gametes. Syngamy is the fusion of male and female gametes. 342. Which process restores the diploid chromosome number after gamete formation? Option A, encystment. Option B, syngamy. Option C, binary fission. Option D, schizogony. Correct answer is option B, syngamy. Fusion of gametes restores the diploid condition. 343. Assertion is sexual reproduction increases genetic variation. Reason R genetic material from different individuals is combined. Option A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Genetic recombination creates new gene combinations. 344. Sporogony in Plasmodium occurs in the option A, human liver. Option B, human blood. Option C, female Anopheles mosquito. Option D, human intestine. Correct answer is option C, female Anopheles mosquito. Sporogony is completed in the mosquito host. 345. Gametocytes in Plasmodium are formed during option A, asexual phase in humans. Option B, sporogony. Option C, encystment. Option D, budding. Correct answer is option A, asexual phase in humans. Gametocytes are produced in the human host and taken up by mosquitoes. 346. Which reproductive process is mainly responsible for rapid population increase in protozoans? Option A, conjugation. Option B, syngamy. Option C, asexual reproduction. Option D, gamete fusion. Correct answer is option C, asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction can rapidly produce large numbers of individuals. 347. A protozoan producing hundreds of daughter cells from a single parent cell is most likely undergoing option A, binary fission. Option B, multiple fission. Option C, conjugation. Option D, syngamy. Correct answer is option B, multiple fission. Multiple fission generates many offspring simultaneously. 348. Assertion a conjugation is often described as a rejuvenation process. Reason R it introduces genetic recombination and renews nuclear material. Option A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Conjugation refreshes genetic material and improves vitality. 349. Which sequence correctly represents events in binary fission? Option A, cytokinesis followed by karyokinesis. Option B, karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis. Option C, gamete formation followed by fusion. Option D, encystment followed by sporogony. Correct answer is option B, karyokinesis followed by cytokinesis. Nuclear division occurs before cytoplasmic division. 350. A zoologist studying protozoan reproduction concludes that the evolutionary success of protozoans is largely due to their ability to combine rapid asexual multiplication with occasional genetic recombination. Which pair of processes best supports this conclusion? Option A. Binary fission and conjugation. Option B. Encystment and locomotion. Option C. Feeding and excretion. Option D. Respiration and osmoregulation. Correct answer is option A. Binary fission and conjugation. Binary fission ensures rapid multiplication while conjugation provides genetic variation. 351. The mode of nutrition in which protozoans ingest solid food particles is called. Option A. Saprozoic nutrition. Option B. Holozoic nutrition. Option C. Autotrophic nutrition. Option D. Symbiotic nutrition. Correct answer is option B. Holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition involves ingestion, digestion, absorption and egestion of solid food. 352. Amoeba is a classic example of a protozoan exhibiting. Option A. Holozoic nutrition. Option B. Autotrophic nutrition. Option C. Parasitic nutrition only. Option D. Photosynthetic nutrition. Correct answer is option A. Holozoic nutrition. Amoeba engulfs food particles through phagocytosis. 353. The process of engulfing solid food particles by pseudopodia is known as. Option A. Osmosis. Option B. Pinocytosis. Option C. Phagocytosis. Option D. Diffusion. Correct answer is option C. Phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is the ingestion of solid particles. 354. Which protozoan obtains nutrition by absorbing dissolved organic substances through its body surface? Option A. Amoeba. Option B. Entamoeba histolytica. Option C. Many parasitic protozoans. Option D. Paramecium. Correct answer is option C. Many parasitic protozoans. Many parasitic protozoans absorb nutrients directly from the host. 355. Nutrition through absorption of dissolved organic matter is called. Option A. Holozoic. Option B. Saprozoic. Option C. Autotrophic. Option D. Heterocystic. Correct answer is option B. Saprozoic. Saprozoic nutrition involves absorption of dissolved nutrients. 356. Assertion: a amoeba performs intracellular digestion. Reason: our digestive enzymes act within food vacuoles. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Food digestion in amoeba occurs inside food vacuoles. 357. Which protozoan shows mixotrophic nutrition? Option A. Giardia. Option B. Euglena. Option C. Plasmodium. Option D. Entamoeba. Correct answer is option B. Euglena. Euglena can perform both autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition. 358. Mixotrophic nutrition means. Option A. Dependence only on photosynthesis. Option B. Dependence only on parasitism. Option C. Combination of more than one nutritional mode. Option D. Feeding only on bacteria. Correct answer is option C. Combination of more than one nutritional mode. Mixotrophs can utilize multiple nutritional strategies. 359. Which structure is mainly responsible for food ingestion in paramecium? Option A. Contractile vacuole. Option B. Cytostom. Option C. Macronucleus. Option D. Trichocyst. Correct answer is option B. Cytostom. The cytostom functions as the cell mouth. 360. The food vacuole in protozoans is mainly concerned with Option A. Reproduction. Option B. Osmoregulation. Option C. Digestion. Option D. Locomotion. Correct answer is option C. Digestion. Food vacuoles are sites of intracellular digestion. 361. Which nutritional mode is exhibited by Entamoeba histolytica inside the human intestine? Option A. Autotrophic. Option B. Holozoic parasitic. Option C. Photosynthetic. Option D. Chemosynthetic. Correct answer is option B. Holozoic parasitic. Entamoeba feeds on host tissues and intestinal contents. 362. Assertion: a parasitic protozoans often show reduced digestive structures. Reason: our nutrients are readily available from the host. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Parasites often absorb pre-digested nutrients from their hosts. 363. Pinocytosis differs from phagocytosis because pinocytosis involves Option A. Uptake of solid particles. Option B. Uptake of liquids and dissolved substances. Option C. Digestion outside the cell. Option D. Excretion. Correct answer is option B. Uptake of liquids and dissolved substances. Pinocytosis is often called cell drinking. 364. Which protozoan mainly absorbs nutrients through its body surface while living in the host intestine? Option A. Giardia. Option B. Amoeba proteus. Option C. Stentor. Option D. Noctiluca. Correct answer is option A. Giardia. Giardia absorbs nutrients from the intestinal contents. 365. The digestion of food in paramecium occurs within Option A. Cytostom. Option B. Food vacuole. Option C. Macronucleus. Option D. Contractile vacuole. Correct answer is option B. Food vacuole. Digestive enzymes act within food vacuoles. 366. Which nutritional mode is shown by Plasmodium during its parasitic life in humans? Option A. Holozoic free living. Option B. Autotrophic. Option C. Parasitic absorptive nutrition. Option D. Saprophytic. Correct answer is option C. Parasitic absorptive nutrition. Plasmodium derives nutrients from host cells. 367. Assertion: a euglena can survive in prolonged darkness. Reason: R. It can switch to heterotrophic nutrition when photosynthesis is not possible. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Euglena can absorb organic nutrients under dark conditions. 368. Which protozoan is most likely to depend entirely on a host for nutrition? Option A. Euglena. Option B. Amoeba proteus. Option C. Trypanosoma. Option D, Noctiluca. Correct answer is option C, Trypanosoma. Trypanosoma is an obligate parasitic protozoan. 369. In Holozoic nutrition, the undigested food is removed by option A, exocytosis. Option B, osmosis. Option C, diffusion. Option D, endocytosis. Correct answer is option A, exocytosis. Undigested residues are expelled through exocytosis. 370. Which sequence correctly represents Holozoic nutrition? Option A, absorption, digestion, ingestion, egestion. Option B, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. Option C, digestion, ingestion, assimilation, egestion. Option D, ingestion, absorption, egestion, digestion. Correct answer is option B, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. This is the correct sequence of Holozoic nutrition. 371. Which protozoan possesses chloroplasts and can synthesize its own food? Option A, Entamoeba. Option B, Giardia. Option C, Euglena. Option D, Trypanosoma. Correct answer is option C, Euglena. Euglena performs photosynthesis using chloroplasts. 372. Assertion of food vacuoles move through the cytoplasm in many protozoans. Reason are different stages of digestion and absorption occur during circulation. Option A, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C, A is true but R is false. Option D, A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Food vacuole circulation facilitates digestion and nutrient distribution. 373. Which nutritional mode contributes most directly to the pathogenicity of Entamoeba histolytica? Option A, photosynthetic nutrition. Option B, holozoic feeding on host tissues. Option C, chemosynthesis. Option D, symbiotic nutrition. Correct answer is option B, holozoic feeding on host tissues. Tissue feeding damages the intestinal lining. 374. A protozoan lacking chloroplasts, feeding on bacteria through phagocytosis and digesting food intracellularly would most likely exhibit. Option A, holozoic nutrition. Option B, autotrophic nutrition. Option C, photosynthetic nutrition. Option D, chemotrophic nutrition. Correct answer is option A, holozoic nutrition. Such characteristics are typical of holozoic nutrition. 375. A zoologist studying protozoan evolution concludes that nutritional diversity has greatly contributed to the ecological success of protozoans. Which combination best supports this conclusion? Option A, holozoic, saprozoic, parasitic and mixotrophic nutrition. Option B, only holozoic nutrition. Option C, only autotrophic nutrition. Option D, only parasitic nutrition. Correct answer is option A, holozoic, saprozoic, parasitic and mixotrophic nutrition. Protozoans exhibit a wide range of nutritional strategies, allowing them to occupy diverse habitats. 376. A parasitic adaptation is best defined as option A feature that helps an organism survive independently. Option B, a feature that enables a parasite to survive and reproduce within a host. Option C, a structure used only for locomotion. Option D, a temporary environmental response. Correct answer is option B, a feature that enables a parasite to survive and reproduce within a host. Parasitic adaptations improve survival, transmission and reproduction within hosts. 377. Which adaptation is most commonly found in parasitic protozoans? Option A. Chloroplasts. Option B. Reduced locomotory organelles. Option C. Extensive photosynthetic tissues. Option D. Cellulose cell wall. Correct answer is option B. Reduced locomotory organelles. Many parasitic protozoans show reduction of structures unnecessary inside hosts. 378. The ability of Plasmodium to live inside human cells is an example of. Option A. Structural adaptation. Option B. Physiological adaptation. Option C. Behavioral adaptation. Option D. Environmental adaptation. Correct answer is option B. Physiological adaptation. Intracellular survival reflects physiological specialization. 379. Assertion: many parasitic protozoans lack chloroplasts. Reason: they obtain nutrients directly from their hosts. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Dependence on host-derived nutrients eliminates the need for photosynthesis. 380. Which adaptation contributes most directly to transmission of Entamoeba histolytica? Option A. Formation of pseudopodia. Option B. Formation of resistant cysts. Option C. Presence of food vacuoles. Option D. Binary fission. Correct answer is option B. Formation of resistant cysts. Resistant cysts survive outside the host and spread infection. 381. The resistant cyst wall of many protozoan parasites primarily functions in. Option A. Photosynthesis. Option B. Digestion. Option C. Protection during transmission. Option D. Locomotion. Correct answer is option C. Protection during transmission. The cyst wall protects the parasite from harsh environmental conditions. 382. Which protozoan shows adaptation for attachment to the intestinal wall through a ventral adhesive disc? Option A. Amoeba proteus. Option B. Giardia lumblia. Option C. Euglena. Option D. Noctiluca. Correct answer is option B. Giardia lumblia. The ventral adhesive disc helps Giardia remain attached inside the intestine. 383. A major advantage of intracellular parasitism is. Option A. Increased exposure to predators. Option B. Continuous exposure to sunlight. Option C. Protection from host immune defenses. Option D. Enhanced photosynthesis. Correct answer is option C. Protection from host immune defenses. Living within host cells can help parasites evade immune responses. 384. Which protozoan survives within macrophages is an important parasitic adaptation? Option A. Leishmania donovani. Option B. Euglena viridis. Option C. Stentor. Option D. Paramecium. Correct answer is option A. Leishmania donovani. Leishmania multiplies within macrophages. 385. Assertion: parasitic protozoans often possess high reproductive rates. Reason: large numbers increase the probability of successful transmission. Option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Option B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation. Option C. A is true but R is false. Option D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. High reproductive output compensates for losses during transmission.